Hello, hello! I am filming not from Paris, from another location around the world, not even in France, but I am, can you guess where, with the surrounding? Can you guess? I am in Miami in the United States, and I am going to visit today the design district where there are all the luxury stores, and of course you're coming with me. Yeah, and maybe I will show you around few stores and few addresses that are very interesting and I recommend. Let's start this video, and I hope you will enjoy it as much as you enjoy the Paris one. Okay, so that's a new one from Miami. Let's start. I am in Midtown before going to the design district, and if you are around and you are looking for a good hairdresser, this is a nice place where you can go. I've been there a few weeks ago and I was very happy with the service. Another address I would recommend in the Midtown district, it's a bakery. It's called Marie Blachère. It's a French bakery. So if you miss croissant or pain au chocolat, here it is. Let's continue. First stop visiting this store, which is from a Brazilian brand, and this is all about summer dresses. I love this piece, by the way. Very cute swimsuit. And that's the other pieces they have. I especially love their work on the crochet and the fringe. Passing in front of the men's Gucci store, and then another store from a brand we don't have in Paris as well. So I was very happy to see the collection. And I'll show you a few pieces that catch my eyes. This one was very interesting with the underwiring, and this one also. Really like the details at the front. The fabric was quite thick, like a denim fabric almost. And also this one is a crochet dress, but I like the cut in front. Another style, this one is in silk, and I really like the cut at the back of the dress, and the very thin strap make it work like perfectly. Stores are very different from Paris. Here is Off-White store, and this one is Rick Owens, completely different from the Parisian store. And here again, different design. I mean, each store has their own design, which I really like. Everything is like very modern and very design, and I love the vibe. Gucci again. Quick stop at Chanel to check the collection and the pieces they have in stock, because you know sometimes the selection is different from one continent to another one. And here you have Dior, and I love the design. Really cool design for Tiffany and Co. Fendi over there. Berluti. Oh, and Christian Louboutin. All the big designers and European designers are here. And this is really cool to see a different version that what we are used to have in Paris or in Europe even. After the collection are the same, of course, but the selection of the pieces is different, and that is interesting. So like that, if you are looking for something particular, you can ask me. I'll do my best to have it work for you. Leaving downtown Miami to go in the direction of Miami Beach, and I love the view of all the skyscrapers surrounding by the sea. In front, we cannot see very clearly, but there's all the Venetian islands, and behind it you have the port. And in front, we are heading to Miami Beach. Miami is surrounded by water everywhere, so here is a little canal we cross by car, but you can also cross it by boat. I had to film this car. Do you know what it is? That's the car from Tesla. It's called Cybertruck. I never saw one in Paris or in France, so that's a beautiful example. I'm not sure I like the model, but tell me, what do you think about it? Do you like it or not? I'm curious to know. So now let's walk on a greenway dyed corridor, which is in front of the ocean. And I spot few beautiful spaces of, I don't know if it was a fruit or if it was flower. Tell me in the comments, but it smells like a fig, but it doesn't look like figs. So maybe it's a similar species to it. Tell me in the comments. And that's the view from the ocean. I love the little cabanas for the lifeguard. I think they are very cute. And little dive in the water before going back home. The water, even during the evening, is still very warm, and I love the color of the ocean like that. It's a deep turquoise blue, and that was the surrounding. And people were still swimming because, as I said, the water is still very warm in the evening. And that's what I pick up. I love to pick up few pieces of corals and shells. Another day, having a walk around Bayside. This part was very quiet, but where there's the ferry wheel, it was crowded. So we escaped this part and we continue our way a little bit further, where we found this cute little tiny squirrel. Very cute. He was very close to me actually. We cannot see very well on camera, but I was like 1 meter away from him, which is so amazing to me. We met him where we were heading to the Miami River Walk, and that's the view of it. And that's the perfect way for me to end this video here. There will be a next one still on Miami very soon. So stay tuned and see you very, very soon. Bye bye.